Last year, I decided that I would make this video. What happened that morning is I got to work and the highways were shut down, as you'll see shortly here in the video, and they sent me home. But instead of going home, the glutton for punishment that I am decided to go for a drive. And why not make a video while I'm at it? This is what it looks like to be driving around in northern Wisconsin during a snowstorm. Enjoy. Alright guys, so this is going to bring our video to a close. This is what northern Wisconsin looks like in the middle of a snowstorm. Yes, we put our snow in the middle of the street. Does it make any sense to me? Of course not. But hey, that's how we roll in the Northland. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 99% of you that are watching my videos are not subscribed. Please subscribe, help us grow this channel. We're on Facebook. I'm setting up an Instagram account as well. Looking at some other options as well to get the word out. So anyway guys, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and as always, come join the adventure guys. I will catch you in the next video. Take care.